is Lori from Siegel Solutions, and I'd like to show you some reports in QuickBooks that are actually much more intuitive and better to run in an AI program. I use Copilot, but you can also use Claude or ChatGPT or any AI and have a conversation with it to run the report and have it give you a better analysis. So what I'd like to do is do a profit and loss health check. And right now, if I go to my profit and loss, I'm able to do a comparison of a profit and loss for the first half of the year this year versus last year. And QuickBooks does have insights, but because I have customized it, I can't get a true insight on this. I could get the insight if I just did this year, but when you customize it, or if I do a comparison report, but it just gives you what's going on. It doesn't look into other things, doesn't look into trends, things like that. So what I'm going to do is actually download this to a Excel spreadsheet. And the reason I use the Excel spreadsheet is anytime you're using an AI agent, you want to make sure that you're not uploading it to the cloud with any company name on it. So anything that identifies it with the company. So this company is called Sample Consulting Business, but I don't want that on there. So what I have done is downloaded it to, or exported it to an Excel spreadsheet. And then I've done two things. First of all, you want to rename it to get rid of your company name. And you also want to go up top, and I remove the first line. I can remove all of them, but I wanted to just remove the first line, just say it's a profit and loss, and go from there. So then the next step is to open up a new chat. And within Copilot, I've actually have this written down already on my other screen. And this is going to be what I wanted to do. I want to analyze this profit and loss and identify unusual expenses, declining margins, and opportunities to improve productivity. And I'm going to upload that Excel spreadsheet. And now we're going to see how it does. So with any analysis, it's conversation, and you're looking at things and it's coding and doing everything. And now it's saying, here's my analysis of the consulting business. So this is why you want to change the name, even if you get rid of it on the report, you want to change the name of the report. And it's a comparison. It says the biggest issue is not that expenses increase, but most expenses are actually down. But the revenue dropped much faster than the cost. So it's saying, yes, your expenses are down, but so is your revenue. And it does an executive summary, gives me my key margins, what's changed, where my major decline was within gross margin, unusual concerns. It gives you this whole report. And I can actually copy it and paste it, but then it says with the bottom line. And what do we want to do? Do we want to summarize it? Do we want the highlights? Do we want to explain how I track billable? So it will all add things. And I can say, create this in a PDF. And it will just plug away on everything that it gave me and create a report for me. And as you can see, it is coding everything. This does take a few minutes to create the report. And it created my PDF that I can then download. And in about 3 minutes, I was able to feed the information into Copilot and have this really nice report that I could present. I hope that this tip helps in terms of an analysis for a profit and loss, for profitability, using an AI tool such as Copilot. Once again, this is Lori from Siegel Solutions. As a QuickBooks Solutions provider, Siegel Solutions can offer you QuickBooks Online for 30% discount for the first 12 months. To receive this great offer, just scan the QR code on screen or visit the website below the QR code. Once again, it's an exclusive offer from Siegel Solutions for 30% off of your new subscription of QuickBooks Online for the first 12 months. To learn more about Siegel Solutions and our QuickBooks consulting services, which include cleanups, new file setups, third-party integrations, and we also offer ongoing bookkeeping services, visit our website at www.siegelsolutions.com. You can also email us at info@siegelsolutions.com. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube for more of our tips and tricks videos.